Well, it's a painful day to be invested in silver and gold. We have a big problem on our hands. It happens to be the mouth of Jerome Powell, the head of our United States Federal Reserve Bank, who just when you think the guy can't get more hawkish, he finds a way to be more hawkish. But can this be sustained over a longer period of time? We've suffered enough, right? Let's look at that. Let's see how much longer he can be hawkish, and let's see what's really going on in the economy that might indicate to us they're going to be forced to shift back to easier money policy, which will be good, hard to believe, for the price of silver and gold. Well, just when we thought the Fed couldn't get more hawkish, they apparently figured out a way, because the market perceived Jerome Powell's remarks this morning at the Jackson Hole Symposium to be a little more hawkish than expected. You know, it's like a pendulum. It swings between hawkish and dovish, right? And the hawkish just seems to be getting ratcheted up. How much more can they ratchet it? It's like this toy. This is my dad's toy from the 1940s when he was a kid. It's a little tank or something like that. You wind it up, a little more hawkish, but eventually things are going to churn and it's going to have to run back to the dovish side of the pendulum. And that will be good news for the price of silver and gold. Hey, if you're feeling down about the price of silver and gold, come on down to Ron's basement. We've got plenty of room for you, camaraderie, and support as we navigate these choppy waters in gold, silver, and the precious metal mining stocks. It can be challenging. I appreciate you giving me your time. It's precious. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, turn on the bell notifications, leave a comment in the comment section below, put me in your will, hey, whatever. Make sure that you come back. So the market's reaction to Jerome Powell's comments: the stock market's down, the dollar is up, gold, silver, all the metals are down. Not a good day for our investments in precious metals. But what's going on under the covers? When you peel things back, is it really as good as Jerome is saying? I heard something very interesting last night about the job market in particular, right? That's the big thing they're standing on, saying jobs are still good. In inflationary recessions, job markets don't really react for 4 to 5 months. So the only thing that they can really hang their hat on right now is a huge, that's referred to as a lagging indicator, meaning it takes 3, 4, 5 months for the pain in the job market to come through. And it will come through, but we already know there's big pain on the inflation front. We know there's negative GDP growth for the first 6 months of this year. We know that the real estate market is collapsing. So how much longer, Jerome, can you keep up this, I'm an uber hawk and I'm going to fight inflation? In fact, I almost think that this is more about this economic war that's emerging between the East and the West. I'm going to make another video about that later. But for now, we've got to swallow some bad medicine. Today, not a good day for the precious metals. Maybe things will have turned around, will turn around, but for now, it looks like a day of pain until the free market, natural, Mother Nature type forces overcome the Fed, and they're forced back to a little bit easier, just a little less hawkish monetary policy. And that's one silver lining to this all. The Fed has been so hawkish in their actions, but even more so in their words, that any hint, any material little bitty move that they may make in the coming months back to a dovish, when the pendulum just barely starts to swing back, it's going to send the precious metals flying, because they've been wound up, right? Like my daddy's little toy tank, right? It's been wound up, and what's going to happen is the metals are going to fly. Hey, thanks for joining me in Ron's Basement. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be well, and I'll see you soon.